everybody.
Hi.
This is Robert.
That's Julie.
It's our thing.
Yes, it is.
And we don't care.
We don't care.
Well, we've been MIA for the past 3 weeks.
Yeah. I guess we've been down sick, and it's whatever this stuff is, it's really brutal. And
it's not fun.
One of the things, I'm going to make a statement, is one of the things is we say we don't care, and part of that is we don't care
what we do,
what we're doing right now, but we do. What we've done this time is we've done a Dollar Tree haul, but the whole entire thing from this Dollar Tree haul, except for a couple root beers I bought and little things, is going to our fire station across the street as a charity for kids.
They have what they call a Blue Angel tree.
Yep.
And
we're going to donate all this stuff to people that are less fortunate than us, and that's the point of this whole video. So,
and it might give y'all an idea if you don't have a lot of money for, say, a 3-year-old or a 6-year-old. It might give you some inspiration, or a teenager. Because we're going to do a teenager kind of little haul this time, but we're going to do one the next time because we're going to do like a shirt and some stuff like that. So.
Well, and you know, it helps people that otherwise would not have a holidays season at all. So.
Yeah, that are very limited on their funds.
Yep.
And then that way you could do $5 here, $5 there, and you know you've got Christmas.
Right, and it helps families that need help.
Yeah.
So what we've done this time is we've picked up a whole bunch of stuff,
and we're gonna do it in segments. So you'll see us in the same thing.
Yeah.
The Raiders. Whoop!
Okay. Guns Up Nation.
Guns Up Nation.
Yeah. So anyway.
Shout out to all my Texas Tech friends.
Yep.
And the nephew.
Yep.
And new niece.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about
Haley's
that?
a new niece. Yeah.
Yeah. We got a new member of the family officially, and congratulations to RC.
So we're all kind of tech fams.
So,
and my cousins were Aggies, or my uncles were Aggies. My dad and my cousins, and now everybody that I know in my family is going to tech. So, you know, hey. What's a good thing? Okay, so what we're going to be doing first is a little boys haul. And so you can do this from 3 or younger. You know, it depends on what you want to do. But we did it based on a 3-year-old and up, because there's not a bunch of baby stuff at Dollar Tree for babies. I got a few things you'll see here in a minute, but not a whole lot. But anyway, so Robert was kind of in charge of picking out the little boy things. And if I saw something where he was looking, I picked it up, and he was like, oh, yeah, that's good. So, here we go.
So, the first thing is I saw this little red fire truck, and
it's so cute.
It's kind of cute.
It makes noise.
It makes noise. It's got something on it that does something. It's got a battery. Anyway, I thought
it needs a battery.
It needs a battery, you know, but we'll probably throw some batteries in from Dollar Tree too. It's still in the package, because I'm sure that the firemen are going to get stuff like this that doesn't have a battery.
We need to go get some more of those.
But these are really cool.
Yeah, we need to get some more of those.
Got the stretch ladder and all that stuff. See, it extends and all that, and that's kind of cool. So, little guys like this kind of stuff to play with, and I mean,
you know, any kind of kids. Okay, so I got puzzles. I got a dinosaur train puzzle.
Okay.
And then I got a Monster Jam Truckin' Pals puzzle, because these are easy stocking stuffers. They're easy gift givers. If you're going to make a basket, you can put these in it with the fire truck and with the other stuff that we're hauling today. You can put it all in a little basket or a little bag for them. And, you know, it's under... This, what we got here for the little boy stuff, is under $20. And we got, I think, quite a bit.
Yeah, we got a whole basket full of stuff. So.
And so, yeah.
So now, when I was a little kid, the Sinclair Oil Company, all the Sinclair gas stations, used to have a traveling show for dinosaurs, and they tell you about the dinosaurs, yeah. and they put in little dinosaurs that look like this that you could buy, and they blow molded them right there at the.
That's good. It's in good.
But this is good
It's
heavy
quality,
rubber.
Yeah.
So, as a kid, I was always fascinated with dinosaurs, and I know little kids today are still fascinated with dinosaurs. So, for some reason, this Stegosaurus doesn't have the little spikes on his tail. I don't know why, but we also got a Stegosaurus and a Brontosaurus.
Or a long neck.
Or long neck thing.
If you watch The Land Before Time, it's a long neck.
So, this is pretty much a stock staple little boys type toy, I think.
Yeah.
Yep.
Then we got 2 jumbo coloring books. And they could be for little girls, little boys, whatever. But I got 2 the same on this one because I got the girls a different one. And then I got 2 types of crayons. This one is Jurassic Park. And then this one is just uni crayons. It's a little package. I was looking for a little package of the Jurassic Park, but I didn't see them, so that's that. You want to do those?
I don't know. You picked these
These
up.
are kind of cool.
I think these are air toys where you
Yeah.
stomp on them and they go across the room.
Yeah, they go across the room, and I thought that would be kind of cool for a little kid, you know.
Yeah. So, I mean, yeah, they're different, and they're bright colors, pretty much. They're blue and green and red.
And I think they had yellow.
And they had yellow, I think, too.
Mm-hmm.
And, I mean, they're not fancy, but they're just to have a little fun with.
You know, because kids don't care. Their toys are torn up within 3 days. I mean, I had boys. I had bought $20, $40 Hot Wheels, and they were gone at, I mean, what are
Same
they?
time.
RC cars, they were gone within a day.
So,
Then we picked up some
Play-Doh? Silly putty.
Silly Sense Play-Doh. It's like Play-Doh, but it's called Silly Sense Dough. It's blueberry, banana, green apple.
Don't eat it. Trust me, don't eat it.
So anyway, but it's by Crayola Company.
So it's got to be safe.
It's good. But yeah, we got these because these are a good stocking stuffer also. And, or, like I said, you can put them in a, you know, put the crayons, the coloring book, a puzzle, this little toy here, this little car, dinosaur, whatever. You could put these in a little bag for them.
Then she picked up these socks, and these are bright yellow and blue, and they've got, like, game controllers on them. They fit size 2.
Oh, they're Ralph Lauren.
Oh, the Ralph, well, that's kind of what it looks like.
No.
Are they Ralph Lauren?
Beverly Hills Polo Club, yeah, Ralph Lauren.
Okay. What do you want for $1.25?
I know.
Anyway, but they're size 2 to size 7, and I don't know, but I think boys' problems are keeping stuff on their feet. Pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So the deal is, if you can keep these on their feet and they're kind of cool and they got something like that, that's
Unless it's our grandson.
Yeah. So you know.
Okay, when we were kids, we used to have, what are they called?
Spirograph.
Spirograph. Well, you know, you like to go places with kids. You need to keep kids busy. Well, here's a Spiro art. And what it is that you take the little thing and you go around and you make little whatever you want in it. And so I thought, that would be kind of a cool little thing to put in a bag or wrap individually or whatever for a little kid.
I know when I had one, I was always fascinated by how I could make it kind of irregular. Because, you know, a lot of people, they put it in the center and they do it and they get a little thing about that big. I always wanted to use the outside of it and get a weird pattern out of it. And sometimes it works.
There's 2 of them in here.
Sometimes it worked and sometimes it didn't. So,
oh, no, there's 3.
So, yeah, there's
4.
There's a
they
whole
have
bunch.
4 different things in here.
A bunch of little wheels in it. So, that's kind of fun. And
Cool.
it's really neat.
That's really cool.
It's like a 2-dimensional slinky.
Yeah. But anyway, that's it for our little boys haul. And like we said, we're going to donate these to the firefighters' Blue Angel tree. And like the last haul we did it was a gift. We did a gift basket. That's going to the Blue Angel tree. So any of the kids stuff that any of the kids stuff that we do is going to the Blue Angel. So you'll probably see a couple of more hauls because we're going to go to different Dollar Trees and stuff for the Blue Angel tree.
Yeah, and go ahead and support your first responders and your
Right.
fire department. They do a lot of good work besides just taking care of putting out fires and rescuing people from
They
those
have a
things.
lot in this town in Irving. They have we're in Texas. In this town, they have a lot of charities that
Yep.
the firefighters do. They have food banks. They have what was it? They had a color run or something like that back in the summertime, spring, where they the firefighters ran and they donated proceeds to their charities.
And this is a shout out to Fire Station 6, which is right across the street from
Yeah.
our house. They've helped us a bunch of times,
Yep.
and we really
When I
appreciate
fell-
those guys. So
When I fell before I had my weight surgery, I couldn't get myself up off the floor. And needless to say, they came out here and they got me up.
So thanks to those guys and the work they do. And
Like and subscribe our channel.
Yep, it helps us out. We can make more of these videos and do more of this kind of stuff, hopefully.
Yeah.
And have a good holiday because it's coming up on the season. And be safe. And is that all we got to say today?
For this one,
That's Julie.
that's Robert.
It's our thing.
And we
don't care. See ya.
Bye.